A huge welcome. It's a scorcher today in Australia. I think I'm going to have to make some changes to this jacket before I can carry on making pancakes. That's a bit better. Gonna have to get some tan on the old arms. I want to talk to you about Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday. It comes around every year in about 3 weeks, I think, from now, early part of February. It's a time of the year in the UK where people make a special English style of pancake. It's not a crepe. It's not an American pancake, thick and fluffy. It's a thin pancake, a little bit like a crepe, a little bit thicker, more egg content, but they taste so good. Now you'll see events around the country at this time of year where they're doing pancake tossing. They actually have pancake races. Well, they'll pop the pancakes into a pan and they'll run around the village, sort of flipping the pancakes as they go. But to me, this is the time of year where dads, granddads, older brothers and husbands can get into the kitchen and cook pancakes for the family. Now, you don't need to stack these up because as you're cooking them, you're serving them and the kids are eating them and they're going as quick as you can make them. I'm going to show you how to make the batter. It's very simple. And then we'll get on and I'll show you how to do the pancakes. This is a super simple batter. It's about 120 grams or a cup of all-purpose flour. A quarter of a teaspoon of salt in there, and then I'm just going to take my whisk and just give it a little whisk through. Next, we're going to take 2 eggs. I'm just going to crack it on the surface, drop them in with the flour. So like I say, it's 2 fresh eggs. Now don't use any of that awful skinny milk, use full cream milk. I've got about 200 mils here. I want to make it up with a little bit of water. So we're going up to about 300 mils. I think that's about 10 fluid ounces. Now, if you use skinny milk, you probably haven't really got any real milk in it. So I'd suggest starting with a good base of full cream milk. I'm just going to pop probably close to half of that in there. Just keep it back for the moment. And I'll start with my whisk. And we're going to form this up into a nice batter. Then I'm going to add the rest of the liquid in and gently start to mix this through. So we have a batter here now that looks a little bit like a thick cream. We can't use this batter straight away. We need to leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour to let the flour bloom a little bit, and then we're ready to pancake. You're going to want a non-stick pan. You could use a skillet. They can be a little bit heavy, but we don't fry pancakes with much oil, if any oil at all, maybe just a little smear of butter. So like I say, get that pan nice and hot, maybe a little smear of butter on the inside, nothing too much. I'm going to take a scoop of pancake batter. That's probably about 3 tablespoons of batter. I'm just going to pour it into the center of the pan. Now just turn the pan around to get a nice even coating. You might need to just release the edge of the pancake. Release the pancake from the pan. And are you ready? Flip it over. Now you can see the pan is not quite hot enough. I'm getting these beautiful little bubbles on here. I'm just going to flip that over one more time. Rule of pancakes, everybody knows this. The first pancake is never going to come out perfect. And that's why chef always has the first pancake. Now I'm just going to pop that onto my plate. And now the pan is starting to come up to temperature. I'm going to put myself another scoop in there. Now the second pancake always comes out better. So we just give that a little twirl round. You'll see this time I haven't put any oil in at all. As the pancake starts just to warm on the side there, you might not need to use anything to loosen it off. A little tap, a little shake may get it loose. Again, I'm going to take that and give it a little twist round. You can see I've got a nice golden brown this time on the back. And pancake number 2 is ready. Now you can stack the pancakes, but I tend to think it's nice to sort of cook, toss them over and serve them straight away to the kids or family. But the best way to serve these pancakes is not with your Nutella and all your strange toppings. The traditional way, the way I like to do it, we take a little bit of fresh lemon, squeeze some of that beautiful fresh lemon juice over the pancake, and then we're going to take our pancake and just roll it up. Take yourself a fork, cut it through. Trust me, I'm not going to tell you how to eat your pancakes. If you want them with chocolate sprinkles or Nutella, whatever you like, but try them with lemon and sugar first. They are so good. Here goes. That just encapsulates Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday. So this February 13th, get up, make yourself some batter in the morning and get cooking those pancakes for the kids. You might want 2 or 3 times what I've made here because they really go quickly. I can't tell you how much I love these pancakes. They take me back to my childhood. Give them a try. They are not crepes. They're not American pancakes. They're English style Shrove Tuesday tossing pancakes, and they taste so good. Be good.